All right, so here's a video for you guys that bought a System 1 truck rack, and you guys have a newer Dodge Ram, and you guys are having some really bad howling noises right after you put it on. You guys spent a lot of money on these racks, and you spent a lot of money on your truck, and man, was it disappointing to have such an awesome rack put on, and then you drive down the road, and it is unbearable with the noise. So probably like me, you probably researched it online, couldn't find anything going on for any solutions on what the hell was going on. The issue is vortex shedding. Yeah, you guys can find it on stuff for kayaks and smaller vehicles, people that put on little racks on cars. And the solution, oddly enough, is going to be a piece of 1/4-inch rope spiral wrapped around the front bar of the truck rack. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, paracord, piece of 1/4-inch rope from Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that. Couple bucks, wrap it around there, kills all that howling and thumping that's going on in your roof and eliminates all the noise, so you can actually hear yourself think, and you can hear the radio and everything else. So again, if you got the newer Ram and you guys are having lots of noise problems, try wrapping that front rope around the crossbar for the System 1 racks, and it will kill it. I have a 21 3500 crew cab 8-foot bed, just to be technical about it, but from what I hear, it's not doing it on the Fords, it's not doing it on the Chevys, it's just the nose design on the Dodges or the Rams. So good luck, give it a shout. I hear there is a wind dam that System 1 is selling, but if you don't want to pay big money for it, just go buy a piece of 1/4-inch rope and wrap it up, guys. All right, see you.